welcome back everybody. If your desktop icons keep moving in Windows 10 or 11, you can lock their position using these methods. So today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the most common reasons your icon move is you can just head over, right click on any of the empty area on your desktop and look out for this option called View. And here we have this option called Show Desktop Icons, Auto Arrange Icons, etc. This one right here. So what you can do is you can just go over and check this option. If this option is checked, you can go to View, look out for this option and uncheck it. And it will keep Align Icons Degree checked optional, but that will help keep them neat. So you can follow that method. Also, you can disable auto arrange after resolution change. So icons sometimes move when display resolution changes. So for that, you can right click on your desktop, look out for the option called display settings, open it up, and under display settings, go to display resolution. And here, make sure that you're using the recommended one. Make sure that this recommended resolution is selected. Apart from that, we can lock desktop layout with a tool also. Windows itself does not have a full lock icon feature. Some people use tools like desktop OK icon restore as well. You can use those and also check if tablet mode is on. For that, you can open up your settings, go to system. Within system, go to tablet mode. So find the option for tablet. You can directly search for that option here. And this one right here, you can just go over and look out for it and you can turn that option off for tablet mode, and that should also work it because tablet mode can rearrange the icons. So you can just go over and do so. And that is it everybody. Those are probably some of the fixes you can try out if you want Windows 10 or 11 to stop desktop icon moving. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video